test drive time in the lovely MG Magnette, or Magnette as they're more often referred to. Let's go and see how we get on. Quick look at the history for the MG. That's all MOT, service invoices, club booklets from when they've been on club runs and all the rest of it. We've got several logbooks here. The old buff logbook, the current logbook, and the same owner but the previous address, so that's the old blue logbook there. Loads and loads more service stuff and invoices and receipts. Coming down into the midsection here, we've got a collection of original Magnette literature from when it was sold, advertisements and such like and so forth, and then more instructions and bits and pieces about the car. Looks like they've been reprinted out of a manual. Don't forget there's all those manuals in the boot of the car as well. And then there's these photographs here which show the restoration that happened around about the turn of the millennium, maybe 2005. I'll have to read through it. But there's over 50 photographs here detailing every single aspect. So that's the kind of... Today's offering is a lovely, lovely 50s MG Magnette, or as they get referred to, MG Magnette. A ZB 4-door saloon. What a pretty car. Really is nice. Very, very well appointed. Just come from long-term ownership. Been with the same doctor owner for the last 20 years. Through no fault of its own, he's had to part with it. He's just got too many cars in his collection. This is one that's not been getting used. So this is the one that he's parted with. He did used to use this as a daily runner at one time. Imagine your doctor turning up for an appointment in this lovely machine. But that's genuinely what he did. We'll just climb inside and have a look. Got your wooden dash there with the octagonal speedometer, which is a big MG thing. Got a badge in the middle, big horn button. This stereo, whilst looking period, apparently is a digital one. I've not had a chance to play with it yet. I think it's an operator's manual in the glove box there. You can see it's all nice and clean and tidy. The door cards are lovely. Wood could do with brightening up, maybe a bit more polish on it, but it's all good. Now the headlining and in the back is all good. We've just got one little minor problem there, look, where something's got behind it. I think it's been bees or something, he said. But basically, don't let that spoil the car for you, because it's good inside apart from that, and it would be very easy to patch. There's a speaker, look, for the more modern stereo system. 5-speed gearbox, so we're running a Ford gearbox, which makes in modern driving so much more easy. Go back outside. We're on wire sport wheels with a matching set of Goodyear tyres, and it's on MGB front brake discs and calipers. So the front brakes have been upgraded from drum brakes, because under the hood here we've got an MGA 1627 or 1623 cc engine. So it's got a bigger engine, 5-speed gearbox and bigger front brakes. It's been adapted for modern driving. It's got electronic ignition as well, so it's super smooth. It really is a pretty car. Sits really well, colours really well. Paintwork is average. You can see as I'm walking around, there's a good finish on it. You can see me there in the shadow, the depth of the paint. There's no issues with the quality of the paint, but unfortunately in places it has started to show its age. It was restored, I think, in around about the turn of the millennium, and there's just a few areas now that's just starting to show its age. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go and get a magnet and just put the magnet on, because I want you to know that it's just a paint issue. The car itself is absolutely solid, and it's a beautiful car, and it drives really well. So I'm just going to go and get a magnet, and I'll also get my telescopic stick and we'll get the camera underneath and we'll just go around the bodywork and I'll show you all the little bits that I think you should see. Okay, as always with Catlowdy, we show you everything. Now you can see, perhaps you can't, but on this area of the wing here, it looks like huge bubbles have appeared in the paint, and it possibly is. But you can see it's not filler. There's another one there on the bonnet, look. I'm going to stick it on there and I've job to get the magnet off, so it's definitely not a filler issue. It's just a paint issue. I thought there was a bubble on the door there. So it's just like water's got behind the paint. Now I'm being super picky. You can enjoy this car exactly as it is. You don't need to go and do anything with this paint job. It's a very good usable car. But as always, we show you everything. Good solid car. Just starting to deteriorate a little bit on the paintwork. But look how beautiful it is. Got a couple of years of fun in this yet before you need to do anything. So we've got 5 gears in this one. It's been modernised with a 5-speed box. There we go, up into 5th gear. And we're doing about 40 miles an hour now, and I'm going to do a short brake test. So I'm going to slam on the brakes right now. There we go. Stopped very squarely in the middle of the road. We've not veered to the left or the right, and it did stop quickly, and that's because it's been upgraded again. It's got disc brakes on the front there, MGB disc brakes, the calipers on the front end. Let's have a quick look here under the engine bay. Nice clean oil filter there. I've just dipped the oil, it's beautiful and clean. Just put the hydrometer in the antifreeze. Coolant's clear with a good antifreeze mixture in. Fluids are okay down there. You can see it's all as it should be. Running twin SU carbs which are set up nicely. There's your original ID badge up there, look. All nice and tidy. And I'll just see if it'll fire up for us by reaching in. Bear with me. There we go. Okay, we're going to turn around here at the crossroads and zoom off up the hill and show you what you get onto this upgraded engine that's in this one. It's got an MGA engine, a 1622cc instead of 1500 standard. Here we go. That's pulling uphill with 2 of us on board. Only up into 3rd gear and we're already at 40 miles an hour. Absolutely effortless. Just keep on videoing here, and after this next little incline I'll slot up into 5th gear. Just have to ease off with this bend. Just look how steady it is. No vibrations, no wagging of the wheel. Lean into that bend, look at that in 4th gear. And then there we go, up into 5th. No vibrations on the gearbox or anywhere. Drives absolutely lovely, very, very usable car. This is the driver's side now. We're at the driver's side sill, you can see that's all nice and solid there. I'll try and get you right underneath. Ben's on security watch. Not sure how well this is working, but hopefully you see everything you need to see. Okay, this is the passenger side sill here. You can see how solid it is down there. And I'm going to again attempt to show you right down underneath the car as best I can. I'm not sure how well it's working, but we're doing the best for you. I've took some stills as well. It all looks incredibly solid and well preserved under there. Quick look inside the boot. We've got the battery on this side over here, good spare. I've just pulled that off and you can see the jack's hiding away down there. These books come with the car as well, so we've got a workshop manual, 2 different manuals. I think that's probably a parts book, and so is that one, a service parts list as well. So that's the inside of the boot there. You can see the boot lid stopping up on its own. This is a real bouncy old single track road. Look how smoothly we're travelling along it in this beautiful MG. Come down here in my truck and feel like your fillings are going to fall out. This is the retro looking period stereo system, but it's actually a digital radio. Down under the dash, does its job. Okay, the car's been with the same owner for almost 20 years. He's a doctor, and for quite a while he did actually use this as his everyday car. It's got a huge history file with it. It was restored before he got it. He's kind of looked after it really well throughout the years. It's probably the best demonstrated MG Magnette on the market, and we try our best to show you everything you need to see in order to make a decision about the car. It's a lovely machine. It's been modernised for modern day traffic. If you like what you see, get in touch.